Hey, it's Dave Patterson here with Lake Country Manufacturing, and today we're talking about our DA foam pads. These pads come in a variety of sizes from 3.5 inch, 5.5 inch to 6.5 inch to fit all your standard DA backing plate sizes. As you can see here, we have multiple colors varying in aggression, from yellow being our most aggressive to black being our least aggressive, and final finishing foam pads. You're typically going to use these pads on machines like your Porter Cable, Griot's Garage, and your entry-level DAs, along with some of your rotary machines if you like a flat style pad like this. You'll find that our orange is probably the most versatile and widely used pad for one-step polishing, but also for light cutting and for finish polishing. I hope you found this information useful, and stay tuned for more videos.